Hi guys, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touchscreen on iPad Air, also known as Air 1 or iPad 5th generation. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating is essential to separate the screen from the body for tablet repair. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad Air, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert plastic carpet tools or triangular picker and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the Araflex cables attached to the logic board. To lift the touchscreen, take the direction like opening a book, but from the left hand to the right hand side. Open and place it like an open book till removing the LCD screen. Next, we can take off the LCD screen by undoing screws. Remove 4 screws on all corners and then lift the screen to 90 degrees by the top and disconnect the plug by undoing 3 screws and the shield. There is some sticky on the connector plug which holds together with the shield. By using a pry tool, slowly cut the glue to separate the connector cable from the shield. Next, we can unplug both touchscreen connectors and the Touch ID connector by moving the tape and lifting the tab. Assume you need an LCD repair, touchscreen repair or Touch ID repair. These are the steps that needs to follow. Replace the required LCD screen or touchscreen and start putting back things together. First, connect both touchscreen connectors and then the Touch ID flakes. Next, plug the LCD connector and add the shield by inserting 3 screws. Place the LCD on the body and ensure the screen sits orderly. Next, insert 4 screws on all 4 corners by the screen. Now to clamp up the iPad there, first ensure it has enough glue on it. Most of the time you will get double-sided pre-cut adhesive with the touchscreen. It is better to use that. If not, you can use B7000 glue or double-sided tape. Take the closing book direction and place the digitizer on the body. Place the bottom section first, then follow the top, and then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put the pressure on the frame side and verify that the home button sits and clicks orderly. Here we are using screen bonding clips to tighten the screen to the frame. If not, you can use rubber bands for this. Leave it for some time and remove it. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.